Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav, and today we are going to do web lab experiment number 3. So this is our PDF file, the asked questions which we have to do something. The output will look something similar to this one. So let's see. These are the images which I am going to use. First of all, let's have a look to the HTML file. I have mentioned the experiment number 3 and the heading. The first heading is going to be my first website and some links which we are going to make in a navigation bar. Let's have a look. So it's going to be somewhat like this, and as you can see, as the mouse goes over it, that is h over, the color will change to red. And the first image I have used cosmology and these images, and we have described something about cosmology and all. Let's see the coding further. So the navigation bar, the first thing is home, about us, and the three links. So it is in the class navbar. Let's go to the CSS file and see its coding. So it is in the inline block, and the color is given. The border is 1 pixel and solid black. Float and width is also given. Similarly, in the list, if it goes over it, the color will be red. As I said, it has been given. Further on moving, I have to attach this file cosmology, the image file. So as you will see in the HTML file, in the next division I have add the nightsky.jpg as the background, and I have written on that the content is cosmology. So it is in the class which is have name content. So in main CSS, in the content we have the absolute. Almost all the times you will see the same thing, top, left, right, and margin, but it's difficult to arrange them. So here we have the absolute positioning, and from the top I have given the pixels 400 pixels. So to appropriate it, in the HTML file we next have the other files, the other images, and their links about us, topics, and all. So all they have I have used in image 1, and the last one, as you can see in the text file, I have used this as image 1 and this as image 1, whereas the last one, this as image 2. So and you can see in the CSS, the right margin for the both is 360 pixels, but for the last one I have used 0 pixels. Most of the time you can see the positioning again is absolute, height, width is given, and opacity, background color. We are most of the time using the same thing, but it all matters is how you arrange them. The pixels, if you change anything, it will change a lot in the web page. For example, let's take an example. Like if we have using welcome to web technology group, and the content, it is from the class content. So let's go to the content. Okay, here is content, and we change it from 400 pixels to 425 pixels, and let's save it and see what's the difference. So as you can see, the web technology group is shifted downwards. So it all matters is how we arrange them. Further moving, we have the two paragraphs. So I've named them with the class box and the subhead, as they both are similar. So subhead, I have given coding for subhead as only once, and for box I have given separately. Let's go and have a look at that. So here box, top margin is 50 pixels, height is 360 pixels, width is 49%, because I want to cover almost 50% and the gap in between. So I've given 49%. Background color is green and float left. So as you can see in the image, it's almost 49%, and this is about 2%, which covers it. As requested, I have given the footer with the same attributes almost, and the size. That's all. Thank you.